it on the level, keep it on the level. I'm climbing up the, keep it on the level, keep it on the level. I'm climbing up the ladder while you in need of a shovel. I can do this all day, I can do this all night. I can do this all day, I can do this all night. I could do this all day, I could do this all night, all month, all year, for my whole entire life. Who you know got a home but seen to live on the road, looking like a black gypsy in a caravan of bros. Music for the people, I used to rap on the train. Now I rap on the stage and I'm used to capital gain. I ain't asking for change, I'm good at coining the phrase, but I want is more than ever and never to fade away.
Ladies soccer killed the games last night. C team ties their final match 1-1 with a goal coming from Cheyenne Nass.
JV girls won their final match 4-2 with goals from Leah Hannon, McKenna Seiler, Savannah Cambridge, and Peyton Pine. The team voted Aubrey McBonwa their team MVP.
Varsity won 2-0 over Rogers. Tiana Latham and Eliza Villarma both had goals. Frankie Maupin is your MVP for the match. When Frankie stepped onto the field, she brought a level of energy that was missing from the pitch.
With that win, the varsity soccer qualifies for postseason play.
What's hanging, SK? He's the one and only Deshaun Keel.
And she's the one and only, what's your name?
And I'm Kelly Williams.
Let's tackle another WTV show.
Anyone interested playing a winter sport needs to have their pink slip cleared by Friday, November 9th. Please go to the athletic office for more information or questions. Lady Bowlers, the season starts this Monday, 2:30 at High Joy Bowl. Your pink slip is required to practice. All prospective baseball players, reminder, weights Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 2:30 to 4 p.m. Morning conditioning Monday and Friday mornings from 5:45 to 6:30 a.m. Meet outside the weight room. And now it's time for the schedule of events.
The ASVAB test will be offered at South on November 14th. This is a great opportunity to take a free test to help you identify your different abilities and strengths. If you're a junior or a senior and planning to take an IB exam this school year, forms are due to the ASB by November 1st. Any questions, please see Ms. Duchesne. Now I think it's time for Wolf the Weeks. Caitlin Camus got it for holding the door open for a fellow classmate. Mr. Bergeson for understanding that people have outside lives and can get sick. And Phoebe Berry for picking up trash every day. So this next video, I heard the Wolf guy's pretty cool.
What's the video about?
Spooky season.
Did I get you?
No, you didn't scare me.
Then why did you scream?
Because you broke the school dress code, duh. Listen, South, we know it's spooky season and Halloween's coming up, but there's still some rules you need to follow. First things first, follow the dress code in the planner. If it's not allowed, don't wear it. Second, no masks, hoods, or face paint. Staff needs to be able to tell who you are at all times. Third, absolutely no fake weapons, no matter how plastic they are. And finally, get creative. Halloween is a day to express yourself. Let's have some fun. I hope you're excited for Halloween as I am. Stay spooky, South.
Halloween is next week, so keep the costumes appropriate.
Do you need to file your FAFSA, particularly you college-bound scholarship recipients? Then come to the Career Center Wednesday, right after school. Mr. Reichel will be there to help you get started.
Be sure to check the scholarship list on the high school website or in the Career Center regularly.
Today is the last day to donate items to the SK DECA Food Drive. Members, bring all donations to Miss Fighter's room today. They have 1,050 items to donate to emergency feeding, but increased their goal to 1,300. Please help them reach their new goal.
DECA members attending the Fall Leadership Conference, please meet on Sunday in the South parking lot at 12:45 p.m. Time for some clubs. Meeting today, Interact, Builders of Unity, and Masking Trading Card Games.
And on Monday, Anime, ASL, Model UN, and STEM will all meet. Deshaun, where did you get that donut?
The sophomores are having a fundraiser.
Halloween soon approaching, treats and costumes are on our minds, especially the sophomore class ASB. On October 27th, the sophomore class ASB is having a Krispy Scream fundraiser. Not just a regular donut selling fundraiser, but they will be selling donuts in festive Halloween costumes. We're Halloween bound, so come on down to the Chevron across from Fred Meyer's from 9 a.m. to sellout to get some awesome donuts. Be there or be scared.
Don't forget the fundraiser is tomorrow.
That's all we have for you today.
Have a spooky weekend, SK.